Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to the new chapter, that is natural disasters. So this is part 1 of the chapter. So in this chapter we are going to hear some new terms like what is earthquake, drought, cyclone, tornadoes, all these things which you might have heard, but अब हम उनको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में समझेंगे कि ये क्या होते हैं. So basically नेचुरल डिजास्टर का मतलब क्या होता है? डिजास्टर एज अ वर्ड खुद इसका क्या मतलब होता है? इसको हम हिंदी में तबाही बोलते हैं, है ना. डिजास्टर को क्या बोलते हैं? तबाही. कितनी तबाही हो गई है, कितना. अब जब नेचर की वजह से कोई तबाही होती है, जब नेचर के कुछ चेंज की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन नेचर में किसी वजह से अगर चेंज हो रहा है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज कॉजिंग डैमेज, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट चेंज इट इज कॉजिंग डैमेज, it is known as natural disaster. That nature is causing some disaster. Nature is causing some disaster like earthquake. कोई ह्यूमन होता है वो अर्थ को शेक नहीं कर सकता, कोई इंसान होता है वो अर्थ को शेक नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन नेचर खुद ही अर्थ को शेक कर सकती है ना. तो अर्थ जब शेक हो जाती है वो कोई ह्यूमन फैक्टर नहीं है उसके अंदर कोई नेचुरल फैक्टर है जो एक्ट कर रहा है, जो अर्थ को शेक कर रहा है. कोई ह्यूमन, कोई इंसान नहीं हिला सकता ना अर्थ को. So that is a natural disaster. So let us see the definition of natural disaster. So basically the nature sustain life on earth but it can also cause destruction. Normally life जो अर्थ पे पॉसिबल, ऑब्वियसली हमारी लाइफ जो है वो अर्थ के ऊपर पॉसिबल है. अर्थ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारी लाइफ पॉसिबल है, राइट. बिकॉज ऑफ अर्थ ओनली हमारी लाइफ पॉसिबल है, नेचर की वजह से हमारी लाइफ पॉसिबल है, राइट. But forces of nature that cause the destruction of life and property on the earth, they are called natural disaster. They are called natural disaster. ऐसी नेचर की फोर्स की मतलब जिसे एक्ट ऑफ गॉड बोलते हैं कि भगवान ने किया है ये ऐसे फोर्सेस ऑफ नेचर की वजह से, जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो जाना या साइक्लोन्स आ जाना या फिर टॉर्नेडोज या फिर अर्थक्वेक आ जाना, ये सब कुछ नेचर के हाथ में होता है. इंसान ये सब चीज़ें नहीं कर सकता है, राइट. तो जो फोर्सेस ऑफ नेचर होती हैं दैट कॉजेज द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑन द अर्थ आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल डिजास्टर. दे आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड नेचुरल डिजास्टर थ्रू अ वीडियो. सो लेट अस मूव टू द वीडियो.
These pictures bring back memories of the devastating earthquake that rocked Nepal in the months of April and May in 2015. Earthquakes of huge magnitude are considered as natural disasters. What are natural disasters? Natural disasters are events that cause huge damage to life and landforms due to sudden changes in the normal pattern in nature. Earthquakes, floods, cyclones, drought, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis are some major natural disasters that occur commonly on Earth. Natural disasters cause exceeding damage to life and property. People lose lives, and those who survive may have lost their family members and their belongings. They are often badly injured. Once they recover from the immediate damage caused by the disaster, they may have to face diseases which spread because of crowding, scarcity of safe drinking water, rotting bodies that lie around, and lack of sanitation and medical facilities. Natural disasters cannot be prevented, but the damage they cause can be reduced by being prepared and having a safety plan to follow in the event of a disaster. Constant monitoring of weather and other conditions on Earth, making accurate predictions and alerting people before the event occurs can help reduce the damage. In the case of a disaster, people can be moved to safe places. Certain precautions, such as building specially designed houses in earthquake-prone areas and constructing buildings a certain distance away from seashores are precautions that can help. NDMA, National Disaster Management Authority of India, creates awareness and issues alerts during disasters. Let's now see what we can do to remain safe during a disaster. Here are some general tips for you to plan ahead in preparation for a disaster. Have a waterproof and fireproof box that can be locked, where you keep your family's important papers, ID cards, and some cash. In case of an emergency, you can grab the box and go. Plan a compact survival kit in a backpack consisting of clothes, food, medicines, and equipment for shelter and safety. Add mobile phones and chargers, whistles, flashlights, and some cash too into the kit. Stay informed and keep your relatives informed about your safety. Now, let us look at some specific safety tips. Let's begin with cyclones and floods. During a cyclone, we experience extremely violent winds, incredible waves, continuous rains, and floods. If you live in areas prone to these disasters, here are some safety tips for you. Turn off power and stay away from all electrical and electronic gadgets. Go to a safe higher ground. Do not drive or walk in flooded waters. Wear waterproof clothes. Stay close to your family. Use a staircase and not the elevator. You could get trapped in the elevator if there is a power shutdown. Now, let's move on to the earthquake safety plan. Earthquake is a violent shaking of the earth. If you live in an earthquake-prone area, here are some safety tips for you. If you are outdoors, find a clean spot away from buildings, trees, and power lines. Drop to the ground. Cover your head and neck. If you are inside a building, go under a table and hold on. Cover your head and neck. Stay indoors until the shaking stops and you are sure it is safe to exit. Stay away from furniture or anything that can fall on you. Stay away from windows and doorways. Use staircase and avoid elevators. What do we do when there is a tsunami? A tsunami is a series of huge waves that can cause great destruction and loss of life when they strike a coast. When in coastal areas, stay alert for tsunami warnings. These could be an earthquake, strange behavior of animals, salty taste in the air, rapidly rising or falling of water levels. If you happen to encounter the tsunami warnings, then stay away from the sea and the seashore. Rush to a higher ground. With this, we have come to the end of this module.